A basketball league determines draft picks by drawing team names randomly. If there are 8 teams in the draft, I'm going to underline that, 8 teams in the draft, what is the probability that the 3 same teams would not earn the top 3 picks in consecutive years? This is a little bit of a large situation to draw a tree diagram because, you got 8 teams, that's a lot of branches. But let's take a look at this logically. You want to know what the probability is that the 3 same teams would not earn the top 3 picks. Well, what if you found the probability that they do earn the top 3 picks in consecutive years and then use the complement? Now, it doesn't say certain teams have to be in a certain order, so you want the top 3, but it's going to be a combination, a combo, because you don't care what order they're in. You just know that the same 3 teams have to have the top 3 picks. So a combination situation, you're going to take 8 times 7 times 6, that's the permutation of the 3 teams, and then divide it by the number of ways that you can arrange the 3, or the combination of 3, which is 3 times 2 times 1. And again, this is going to tell you the probability the same 3. All right, so let's figure this out. I'm going to do a little simplification here. 3 times 2 is 6, and I have a 6 in the numerator, so that actually all works out just fine. Then you're left with 8 times 7 divided by 1. And that's 56 divided by 1, or 56. And what that tells you is there are 56 combinations. So the probability of getting the same top 3 teams twice is actually 1 out of 56. And then if you want the probability the same 3 teams would not earn the top 3, that's going to be the complement of this. So you're going to do 1 minus 1 over 56, which is 56 over 56 minus 1 over 56, or 55 over 56. So there's a very high probability that the same 3 teams would not earn the top 3 picks in consecutive years. And we use combinations to find the number of different ways the same top 3 teams could be picked, and then we found the probability is 1 out of that. And you can use your calculator to get decimal or percent answers if you would like. So 55 divided by 56 equals 0.98 or 98%. Either of these answers would be correct also. So you can see there's a very high probability that the same 3 teams would not earn the top 3 picks in consecutive years.